Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we'll be voice acting once again the Foximation series. This time we're in English now, but today we'll be voice acting the Three Little Pigs Animal Corps. We already voice acted the Where Have You Been episode, Hansel and Gretel, and yeah, that's all. Now we'll be voice acting the Three Little Pigs, and maybe later we'll be voice acting the Wolf and Seven Little Goats. Yeah, maybe that's next something. But let us now voice act the Three Little Pigs. So once again, credits to the Fox Nations. English muna. Oh, oops, wrong one. Where's the Three Pigs, yo? Ayan, dito na. The Three Little Pigs play. Oh, what am I going to do? I just click play. Loading, 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 loading. Eggs everywhere in the house, and then I mean, mog, dog, dig, dog, oh. The first one build a hay, and second pig build a sticks, and he's super tamad. The third pig build a brick house because he's super scared. Oh, English na eh. Try, sabihin ko lang kung anong sasabihin mo. Click! Click o click. Hello people, I am the first pig. I need to protect myself, and I find shelter, and I already build a house, and I need to build a house, and I made it out of hay.
Straw, sticks, or bricks.
Straw. Straw.
Wow. Thank
Thank you so much everyone, and I need to build the house, and I need to get into it the shelter. Hello everyone, I am the sun. Hello everyone, I am the moon. Come again, guys. See ya.
It's dark and cold out here.
Okay, I'm just go inside before before the wolf gets me. Lick me. Eh. Hmm. Gonna go right there. Interesting. Why am I just looking at it? What mean? I think it's a wolf outside. Hopefully it thinks we got hit the bean. Oh no. They'll touch you again. Yeah. I mean, little pig. What?
We can be friends.
Yes. Patay besin mo na. No, I won't let you in, bro. Get out of my house. Little wolf. Mako-copyright tayo nito kung walang actors. Hello. No touch you. Don't touch me. Stop touching me. Stop! Hindi touch now.
One day, a big bad wolf came to the straw house and puffed, and blew it down. The pig.
Hello guys, I've been touched.
Ran to his brother's stick house.
Mm,
The wolf followed,
leaving.
puffed.
Hello guys, Markiplier here. I'm gonna be building a stick. Ikaw yung pangatlong tiga. Hindi, ako yung magsasabi sa kanila sa dulo.
Hi,
Hello
I'm the
everyone.
second pig.
I'm
The
going
wolf
to
is
build
coming and
a
I need to
stick
protect
and I
myself
need to protect
quickly.
myself and build
According
a
to the
shelter.
story you
Hopefully the
heard, what
wolf
material
doesn't get
will I
me
use to
in
build
the
my
shelter.
house?
I'm gonna build hard. Straw,
Sticks or bricks?
Sticks, bro. Sticks. Sticks.
Wrong. Try again.
Sticks.
Wrong. Try again. Wrong.
Help me. The wolf touched me. Help me, please. The wolf touched me. Save me, please. The wolf touched me. I guess I'm gonna pick sticks. Where did the straw?
Wow. Thanks for
Thank
the
you
help.
guys.
I hope
Now
the
I'm
wolf
going to
doesn't
go
find me.
inside and the wolf doesn't get me inside the house. You know, very normal. I'm normal too. I'm no longer happy.
It's late.
Okay, it's late
dangerous
now.
out
I'm gonna
here.
need to
I better
get
go
into
in.
my shelter. Why is the door made out of sticks too? That's weird. Absolutely weird. Okay. No. I'm the wolf. I'm going to step in now. Who's there, bro? Oh, I'm the big bad wolf. I mean, I'm big bad wolf. I don't believe you. Then show yourself in the window if you're my brother. No. You're here. That is not my brother. Who are you? Where is the wolf? Right near the back. I'm pet now. I'm gonna like this thing. And yes, that's my buddy, bro. Wait a second. Yo, bro, what's
And
up?
his brother's stick house. The wolf followed, puffed, and blew that house down too. The two pigs ran to their brother's brick house. The wolf tried to blow it down.
Well, Yeah, bro, what's going on?
Yeah, bro, what's going on?
Yes, going on.
Save us, brother. We are all dead. You're your last hope.
Yeah,
Burn yourself. Your house next to the wolf. Sacrifice yourself for us and for all the victims he made.
okay. Oh, ikaw pala yan.
Hello, I am the third pig, and I need to protect myself and kill the
Kahit
wolf.
anong sabihin mo dyan.
According to the story you heard, what material will I use to build my house?
Okay.
Straw, sticks, or brick. Wow. Thanks to the help. I hope the wolf doesn't find me.
Go.
Can you find gasoline?
No, I cannot find gasoline. Dora the Explorer?
Can you find a lighter?
No! Find it yourself, bro.
It's dangerous out here. It's better to go inside.
Yo, bro, open up, bro. Let me in.
Open it. Because you.
Ay, bro. I bet.
Okay. Open the door.
I bet. Let's get it.
Hey, get away!
Think that scared me, bro?
Get
out.
away!
Oh, no.
Hello guys, this is the up pop up. What do you guys enjoy?
What the? Is that a light that's floating?
That's up to you.
I got fewer time, bro. I'm dead. Nah, bro. I know I got healed with that. I've been corrupted. Now it's biggest.
Anyway, but
I got eliminated. I just wanted to win $456 billion. So I became a wolf. So I got eliminated. I'm next to 18, but still got eliminated. I don't like this. Brutal. Go after the witch of dear brother. I block. This is how so block the other. Bye, bro. We'll get out of here now.
Rainbow.